Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. This is my first ever attempt at some 4D roses that I've made out of acrylic. I'm using my Diamond Nail Supplies colours. I just got these in, so I wasn't doing a set, so I really wanted to have a go and see if I could do 3D with these colours. First colour that I'm using is Watermelon. And then I believe I use Creme Brulee, Jade, Tutu and Key Lime, I think are all the colours that I've used to do the flowers and the 3D leaves and things. So what I'm doing is using my 3D acrylic brush and some backing paper for some nail forms, because it's a shiny surface, and I'm making like little kind of like rectangles with the acrylic, and sort of patting them out and waiting for them to sort of go that matte finish, and then slide my brush underneath to lift the petals off before they fully set, and then twirling them around the base. And then the base I've made by doing the same thing, but I kind of twirl it up to make the centre of the rose and stand it up. You'll see as I'm going along what I'm doing. It was tricky at first, but I found as I went along it did get easier, and I also felt like the less I concentrated on trying to make them look perfect, the better they actually came out. The little imperfections sort of make them look a bit more realistic, I suppose. So once I've finished making my flowers, I just wanted to see what I could do of sticking them onto a nail. So you'll see I just do a gel polish on a practice tip and put them on there. So I'll let you enjoy the video. I think I did alright on this. If anyone else is like a pro at doing 4D roses and has any tips or pointers on where you think I could improve, then I'd really appreciate some feedback, and I'm also happy to answer any questions that you might have in the comments. So if you like the video, please like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in another one soon. I'll let you watch. Thanks very much. Bye.